King County Council. As the legislative branch of county government, the Metropolitan King County Council sets the policies, enacts the laws, and adopts the budgets that guide the largest jurisdiction in Washington state. Its mission is to protect public health and safety, enhance quality of life, and ensure public trust. This is a nonpartisan position. Members are elected for 4-year terms. This year, 3 of the 9 council positions will appear on the primary ballot.
Hi, everyone. My name is Joe Cohen, and I'm running for King County Council District 3. Having been born and raised here on the East Side, I'm running to represent our community at a time when we face unprecedented challenges. The East Side needs a champion on the King County Council to represent our interests and who understands our perspective. My experience as an attorney and strong record of public service have uniquely prepared me to serve our community in this moment. For example, it's been 6 years since a homelessness emergency was announced in King County, and things have only gotten worse. Having led oversight investigations into government waste, fraud, and abuse, I'll demand accountability in how we address homelessness so that we can finally make meaningful progress on this crisis. I'll also be relentless in my pursuit of integrity and efficiency in the King County government to make sure that the county's budget is spent on programs that deliver results for our community. I also have 10 years of criminal justice policy experience, including at the U.S. Department of Justice, on Senator Maria Cantwell's legislative staff, and in the Obama White House. This will allow me to help ensure public safety while simultaneously bringing transparency and accountability to the King County Sheriff's Office. And having been able to enjoy our area's natural beauty my entire life, I'll work to combat climate change and protect salmon habitat so that we can continue to enjoy what makes our area such a special place to live. I'm honored to have the endorsements of respected East Side leaders, including Representative Amy Wallen, Newcastle Deputy Mayor Tony Ventrella, and Redmond City Council members Jessica Forsyth and Steve Fields. I've also been endorsed by the 48th and 39th Legislative District Democrats. My name is Joe Cohen, and I'm asking for your vote so that we can work together to get things done.
Thank you for being an active and interested voter. My name is Cathy Lambert, and I'm the King County Council member for District 3, running for re-election. We are seeing many changes in our communities as we come out of COVID and deal with many financial and social issues before us. It takes somebody with experience, willing to listen to everyone and find solutions to the many issues before us. I have been and hope to continue to be that leader for you and our county. This position is nonpartisan, which is critical in a diverse district as ours. It's about getting the job done of providing local and regional services without political infighting. I represent the largest of the districts with urban, rural, and suburban areas, so I must always be aware of and listen to the many voices to find a common solution to meet the varied needs. I'm involved in many important issues. One is the community courts. This helps to bring services to people in crisis. We started this program as a pilot in my district, and it has spread to other cities. On June 2nd, the Seattle Times editorial board described this program by saying, "It demonstrates that compassion and accountability are not mutually exclusive, but complementary actions that can help individuals and communities thrive." On the Law and Justice Committee, I am prepared to work on implementing the new voter-approved rules for the Sheriff Department duties and to protect our citizens. I'm also the chair of the Regional Water Quality Committee, working on the Clean Water Plan for our county and planning for adequate wastewater infrastructure for a growing population. I was, in 2013, named the United Way Outstanding Elected Official of the Year, and in 2019 was selected to be Governing Magazine Women in Leadership. I am also enjoying finding so many ways to bring people together. I hope that when you look at my webpage, CathyLambert.com, and vote for me, Cathy Lambert, so that I can continue to serve you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarah Perry. I'm a small business owner, nonprofit executive, coalition builder, and candidate to be your voice on King County Council representing District 3. After 3 decades of living, working, and volunteering in Issaquah, Sammamish, Redmond, Woodinville, and the Snoqualmie Valley, I'm proud of my record of collaboration and results, building affordable housing, protecting access to higher education, and running my own small business, assisting organizations and innovators in making their dreams a reality. I'm running for county council because we need a champion for our communities who will not only listen, but will bring the results that we need and are depending on at this critical time. We're falling behind, and we can't afford 4 more years of neglect. What we need will not be addressed by out-of-touch career politicians. We need a leader with a forward-thinking vision and a deep understanding of the challenges facing our region and who will get the job done. With your vote, I'll represent our shared values and priorities. I'll tackle climate change and protect our open spaces, our forests, water, and farmland. I'll build realistic transit alternatives and connections to meet the needs of our working families. And I'll remove barriers for recovering small businesses, assist families in need of childcare, and help our workers regain a foothold in a changing economy. I'm grateful to have earned the endorsements of Attorney General Bob Ferguson, King County Executive Dow Constantine, Commissioner of Public Lands Hilary Franz, the East Side and Redmond firefighters, Washington conservation voters, and dozens of elected and community leaders. And I would be honored to earn your support so that together we can ensure that all of our families thrive, now and into the future. Sarah Perry for King County Council, District 3, electsarahperry.org. Thank you.